Salam and hi everyone. In this video you will learn how to use the ESP8266 Wi-Fi model on microbit. You will need a microbit with EduBit extension, ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, and 2 Grove wires. Connect the UART port of the Wi-Fi module to pin 14, 15 and 16 and connect the power group of the module to pin number 13. Use EduBit cable to connect between your device and the microbit. Now go to makecode.microbit.org and create a new project. Go to Settings, Extensions, and add ESP8266 Saturn extension. Make this code and add your Wi-Fi and password to it. You will also need to add your Blynk token, which we will get to later on in this video. Next, go to your Blynk page. Go to Developer Zone and create new template. Give it a name and set the connection type to Wi-Fi and the hardware to ESP8266. Go to Web Dashboard and drag a switch and an LED from the widget box. Hover over the switch and click on the Settings button and create data stream, a virtual pin type. Give it a name and set it to V0. Do the same for the LED, another virtual pin, and set it to V1. After you save, go to Devices and create a new device. From template and choose the template that you have created earlier. Click on Create. The small window will appear. Copy your token and paste it on the code we showed earlier. Another way to get the token is by clicking the Home button and you will find your token there. Move the sliders to the right and you will find the Copy button. Click on it. Go to your code and click on the Download button on the left bottom. This way, your code will be downloaded into your microbit. And now, you can finally go back to your Blynk device and control your microbit display from there. By flipping the switch, you will switch the status of the face displaying on the microbit. That's it for this video. Hope you guys learned and enjoyed. Thank you for watching.